A break there in court, so let's go ahead and bring in defense attorney and former head prosecutor Bob Bianchi. Bob, listening to Detective McDonough on the stand, so his role in all this was to identify the person who allegedly assaulted the accuser. So he's kind of going through the process, talking about looking at surveillance video, because the accuser, couldn't ID the person.
Yeah, so I mean, it's another problem in the case, right? So there's not going to be much dispute in my mind, and I don't think they're disputing that he was there. So presence, of course, mere presence at the scene of a crime is not indicia of guilt, and that's what the defense is arguing in the case. But that's going to be a strong fact for prosecutors that, in fact, the person doesn't have an alibi that they were someplace far away, but was, in fact, in that close proximity. So what are they doing there, and why is it? I mean, this is the argument of prosecutors, that she would decide to come forward and say, I had consensual sex with one person, but not another. So, I mean, again, it's not a perfect case. And as a prosecutor, I would need to be, and I've tried a lot of cases as a prosecutor where the facts were weak, but I genuinely believed in the guilt of the defendant, and I proceeded and secured convictions. I would hope that that's what the prosecutor's doing here, and they're going to have rough spots and rough patches throughout all this, but at the end of the day, the jury could find her credible and convict this defendant.
In about the last 10 seconds, last time it was a mistrial. If there were a mistrial this time, if you were the prosecutor, would you try it a third time or not?
No, I wouldn't. If it's a credibility issue at this point in time, if two juries are hung and can't come to a conclusion, I would use my relationship with the victim to say, listen, we did the best we could. It's better just to move on. That would be my opinion.
Okay. Thank you, Bob, for joining us today.
Bob, thank you. Coming up.